you cannot kill the environment, because if you kill the environment, you kill everything. One-third of the Filipino depends on our natural resources. Sino ang nagdudusa pag winawasak yung kalikasan? Sino? Yung mahihirap. That's the fact. Who suffers if you kill the environment? It's the poor. And whose duty is it to protect our people? It's the government. And when you make decisions based on business interests, you have shirked your responsibility. You have lost the moral ascendancy to rule the government, because to you, business and money is more important than the welfare of our people.
Nakita, nadama, nagsalita na ang inang kalikasan at malinaw ang kanyang mensahe para sa atin.
Hanggang kailan natin titiisin ang unti-unting pagkasira ng kalikasan?
Kailan pa natin sasalusoy ng climate change?
What if every small actions really matter?
This is the world that you wanted to live, or this is the world that you wanted to destroy?
Do we really deserve to nature for how we treat it?
Ito na ba talaga ang hangganan ng ating bansa? Ito na ba ang hinaharap na nais mong mahanggan? Kung hindi ngayon, kailan pa? Do we still have time to save our planet?
Ito ba ang gusto niyong iwan para sa ating kinabukasan?
Is this the Philippines you want to leave for our future generation?
How long can we performance suffer? What's one thing we use every day that can harm our planet but still can give up?
Paano bukas? Hindi na ang revolution. Hindi. Dahil araw-araw, may nakikita tayong pagbaha at maruming ilog at bundok na unti-unting nawawala dahil sa illegal na. Parang unti-unti na tayong iniiwan ng kalikasan dahil hindi natin sa pinapahalaga.
Hindi nakakasatisfy ang parati na nangyayari sa ating kalikasan. Gaya na lamang ng ipagtigil ng illegal logging, kaya nauubos at nakakalbo ang ating kagubatan.
Hindi ako nasasatisfy dahil onting buhos lang ng ulan ay agad nang bumabaha. Ang daming mga basura na nakatambak sa kanal, ang daming nawawalan ng hanap buhay at pinag-uulan at bumabagyo. Ganito na ba talaga ang sitwasyon natin? Ganito ba ang gusto nating buhay?
The paradise is slipping away. The fight for its survival, it begins with us.
The change starts with us.
Act now before it's too late.
Choose nature, choose life. Do it for the next generation.
Every choice matters.
Small actions can make a big difference. Protect what cannot be replaced.
Save the energy, power the future.
Lahat tayo ay may responsibility. Oo, malaki papel ang problema sa pagpapagawa at pagpapatupad ng batas. Ngunit may isa pa ang pagkakaya sa saglit ng tapo ng basura, pagkakasiyansa at pag-aalaga sa ating ay nakakatulong sa ating kalikasan.
Gobyerno ang gumagawa ng batas at nagbibigay ng programa sa pangkalikasan. Responsibilidad namin lahat ang ating kalikasan. Pati kaming mga estudyante may ambag. Masakit lang isipin na mga namin tao pang nag-a-adjust. Pero kung sabay-sabay tayo, may pag-asa.